Right now, AI engines like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity are answering questions about your brand. But here's the thing. If your website isn't set up to let their bots in, they're working with incomplete information. This is your crawlability score. It combines two layers. Can AI bots physically reach your site? And does your robots.txt explicitly allow them? A score in the upper range means you're in good shape. Below that, you'll see exactly which bots are being tracked. 9 of them, from GPT bot to Amazon bot. The crawlability score tells you the theory. The live access check tells you reality. This actually probes your site's firewall and CDN layer, the same path an AI bot takes when it tries to visit your website. Not a simulation. A real test. You can run it anytime. Each card shows a specific bot. A green checkmark means it got through. If any bot shows a red X, that means your firewall or CDN is blocking it. And that A, I literally can't see your site. Hover over any bot to see exactly what it does, like GPT bot, which is OpenAI's training data crawler. Even when your score is solid, there's usually room to tighten things up. The recommendations section tells you exactly what's left. In this case, 7 lower priority bots that could be explicitly configured. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure out robots.txt syntax yourself. AIVO generates an optimized version for you, with every bot properly configured. You can compare it side by side with your current file, copy it, or download it. Applying it is 4 steps. Download, replace, upload, verify. Most teams do it in under 5 minutes. If AI can't crawl your website, it can't recommend your brand. This is the fastest fix you'll ever make.